Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.